In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Notion with icons and covers. Notion is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing your life or work, and personalizing it can make it even more engaging and easier to navigate. So let's dive right in and explore how you can give your Notion workspace a visual upgrade. First, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is your central hub for all things organization, including your wiki, docs, and projects. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Login button. You'll then be directed to enter your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the Notion home. This is where all your pages and projects are neatly organized. Now, find the specific page you want to customize. Once you've selected it, you're looking for the option to click on Page. This option allows you to open up the page where you can start your personalization process. Now that you're on your selected page, look at the top where you'll see a button that says Add Icon. Click on this, and you'll notice a variety of icons become available. Notion has a default selection. But remember, you can upload a custom icon too, which adds a unique touch to your workspace. To upload a custom icon, simply have one ready on your device. It's like adding a little flavor that speaks to the theme or content of your page. Next up, let's talk about adding a cover image. Just next to the Add Icon button, you'll see Add Cover. Go ahead and click on that. By default, Notion provides some interesting cover images, ranging from abstract art to nature scenes. However, much like the icons, you can also upload your own cover photo to really make the page yours. This is where creativity kicks in. So feel free to choose something that inspires you each time you open that page. Remember, these customizations don't just make your Notion aesthetically pleasing. They can also enhance your productivity. Having visual cues in the form of icons and covers can help you quickly identify and access different sections. Whether it's for your professional projects or personal organization, every little detail adds up in making your workspace feel like it's truly yours. And there you have it. A simple guide to getting started with customizing your Notion workspace with icons and covers. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll see how much more personalized and functional your Notion can become. Go ahead and experiment with different styles and designs, and make it a space that motivates you every day. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helped you unlock a new level of productivity and personalization in Notion. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help.